we're back at Spirit Halloween with Mason. Let's go. Tell us what you got, Mason.
Got Uncle Charlie.
Where'd we get him?
Spirit Halloween.
Let's go check him out.
Right?
Yeah. You ready to build this thing?
Yep.
Get all the pieces out. Let's take a look at it. All right, now that we got all the pieces, you ready to start building?
Yeah.
All right, Mason, he's all set up. What do you think?
I like him.
He's awesome. He's big. He's probably about 6.5 feet.
Maybe 7.
Maybe. So what we're going to do is we're going to test him out. And once he's tested out and working, we're going to bring him down into Mason's haunted house in the basement.
I'll get that animal.
I will. Now we're testing him out, and let's see if he works.
Want a little candy? Come on. I won't hurt you much.
He's awesome.
Yeah, take a little bite.
Awesome.
You know you want to.
There he is, Uncle Charlie from Spirit Halloween. Mason's newest
It's
animatronic.
all fun and games. Till somebody loses their soul.
So we're down in Mason's haunted house, and we have him next to Hugs, the clown.
I won't hurt you.
Go see him, Bubba.
Step right up. Step right
The haunted house is coming together. We're going to turn the rest of these on. Do a new walkthrough.